I'm Lenny, and you are listening to Generative Engine Optimization in the AI Era, Decoding SEO 2.0. Welcome to the show, proudly sponsored by 3 Steps Digital Brand Management, a Cube certified agency. Now, let's dive right in and decode.
No, really? Just for a second. Think about it. When someone, a potential client maybe, asks ChatGPT or Google's AI about you, what story does it tell? Is it a perfect, shiny summary of everything you're about? Or is it something a little weird? That single answer can literally make or break a deal in a heartbeat.
So, this is where AI reputation engineering comes in, and trust me, it's a total game changer. It's not just old school SEO, this is the new, absolutely essential practice of actively teaching these super smart machines the true, amazing story of your brand. The whole point is to build so much trust that the AI basically becomes your #1 cheerleader, sending incredible opportunities right to your doorstep. Hey there! Before we get started, if you're new here, please subscribe to be kept up to date. For more insights like this, you can also download our free guides to optimize your corporate or personal brand in the AI era at calicube.com/guides.
We all have to get our heads around a new reality, you know? AI systems are the new gatekeepers. They're scanning literally everything online and forming their own independent opinion about you and your brand. And it doesn't matter if that opinion is right or wrong, because it's directly influencing whether people decide to buy from you. And I know this sounds totally made up, but it's not. A version of this really happened. The amazing digital branding expert Jason Barnard shared this story about how he was losing deals because of a weird association with a cartoon blue dog from an old project. It's a perfect, if not hilarious, example of what happens when your digital brand echo is fragile and the signals are just all over the place.
This is what we call a brand hallucination. It's when an AI confidently spits out something that's completely false about you, but says it like it's a proven fact. And when that happens, poof, trust just vanishes, and you quietly start losing business at that super critical moment, right when someone is deciding whether they want to work with you.
This digital mess has a very real price tag. The AI ends up writing a totally inaccurate resume for your brand. Your online presence gets all muddled, and the algorithms themselves actually lose confidence in you. And what does all that lead to? Yep, leaking revenue. It's like a silent flaw that's undermining all of your other marketing efforts.
Okay, so this brings us to a huge, super important choice every single brand has to make right now. Are you going to be the architect, carefully designing your reputation from the ground up? Or are you going to be the firefighter, always running around putting out fires after the damage is already done?
Let's be real. The old way is all about damage control. You're the firefighter rushing in after a crisis hits. And oh my gosh, it is so expensive and stressful. But the new way, the proactive way, is all about being the architect. You build that solid foundation before anything can go wrong. It's strategic, it's smart, and it is so much more cost-effective.
And that's exactly what proactive AI reputation management is. It's all about educating the AI from the very beginning. You're feeding it a clear, consistent, and authoritative story, so that its very first impression of you is the exact one you want it to be. And get this, the proactive approach isn't just a little bit better, it is worlds better. Like, it is at least 10 times more powerful and way less expensive than trying to clean up a messy brand hallucination after it's already out there. And that simple insight is a key part of what we're exploring here on Generative Engine Optimization in the AI Era, Decoding SEO 2.0. I'm Lenny, and I truly believe that being proactive is the only real way to win in this new AI world.
Okay, so you're probably wondering, how do we actually do this? Let's get to the fun part, the solution. Here is a super clear, totally actionable blueprint you can use to start engineering your AI reputation today.
It really boils down to 3 simple core tactics. First, you've got to optimize your entity home. Think of this as the one single source of truth about your brand, which is usually your website's About Us page. Second, you have to speak the algorithm's native language using structured data. It's like adding secret notes to your site that only machines can read, so there's no room for guessing. And third, you build an infinite corroboration loop, where tons of trusted sources are all confirming the same facts about you over and over again.
So those are the tactics. That's the what you need to do. But they're all built on this simple but really powerful framework of 3 pillars. This is the why it all works so well. And getting these 3 right means the AI won't just understand you, it will actually trust you.
Everything starts with understandability. This is your foundation. You have to make it unbelievably simple for machines to know the absolute facts about you. We're talking perfect, machine-level understandability. Absolutely no confusion allowed.
Next up is credibility. Once the AI gets the facts, you have to prove you're the best solution out there. This is all about engineering machine-level credibility by giving it tons of verifiable proof from other places it already trusts. That way, the AI doesn't just see you, it sees you as a true leader.
And that brings us to the ultimate goal, deliverability. This is where the magic happens. When you have perfect understandability and rock-solid credibility, AI stops being a gatekeeper and becomes your most reliable salesperson, proactively recommending you to new clients who need exactly what you offer.
So, as we start to wrap this up, let's look ahead for a moment. This isn't just some cool strategy for today. This is truly about securing your brand's future. Getting this right is absolutely everything.
So if there's one thing to take away, it's this. In this new age of algorithmic clarity, a clear, trusted, and totally unshakable online presence is your single most valuable asset. Seriously, AI reputation engineering isn't optional anymore. It's what's going to determine who survives and thrives. And as we wrap up, please don't forget to subscribe to 3 Steps Digital Brand Management. Also, be sure to check out calicube.com/guides to download your free guides that will help you get ahead in this AI era. I dived, decoded, and deciphered SEO 2.0 thanks to our sponsor, 3 Steps Digital Brand Management.
And thank you for listening. See you next time for another new, necessary nugget of knowledge.